Now we want to display channel information in each of the accordion segments that we created. And we want to do that as we change the channel. So we want to provide dynamically to our meta panel information about the current channel. So we'll pass down current channel information as props to our meta channel component, and we'll set that in state as the property name channel. We'll destructure that from our state object, and first within the header we'll grab channel.name to get the channel name, and within channel details for the accordion content we will just output channel.details. For the posters we'll cover that in a later section for our top posters, and then in the last accordion segment where we want to display who created a given channel, we'll first use an image component which we'll grab from semantic UI, and we're going to set the source of that to channel.createdby.avatar to get the user's avatar who created the channel, and then underneath that we'll add the name with channel.createdby.name. We'll save both of those files, and when we head back to our app we don't get anything because we're getting this error, can't read property name of null. So it takes a certain amount of time for, in our global state, the channel data to be set. So we want to set up a conditional where if we don't have a channel, we're going to return null just like we did with private channel. So then as the channel data is put on global state, we get information about it, we get our channel details, and we get our created by user and their avatar and name. Now another way of handling this, waiting for a channel data to come in, is we'll remove the conditional, and instead of returning null, we'll add a loading prop to our segment. So if we don't have any channel data, we'll say not channel, we'll provide a loading spinner to the entire segment. And then for each piece of data that we're getting, we'll set up a conditional where we'll first make sure that we have channel data. We'll say channel and then use the double and operator to display the property on the channel. So we'll do that for each of those dynamic values that we added. So now we can see this loading spinner, and as our channel data comes in, I'll refresh the page one more time so you can see that we're getting a loading spinner over the entire meta panel. And then as a last step, I'll add a header component to the last segment and put in the username and image into that, just to format the created by information a bit better. I'll set this as an H3, set an image prop of circular on the image component. So now if we take a look at our created by segment, we can see that the username is a bit bigger and the avatar for the creator is now circular.